Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. I want to make this video a little bit quicker today and just get this information out to you as quickly as possible. So the Citi Premier card has an elevated offer right now. If you're not familiar with the Citi Premier card, it is one of the most popular cards from Citi. If you go online and Google Citi Credit Card Trifecta, you will find this card right there along with the Citi Custom Cash card, which we detailed just a few weeks ago. The Citi Custom Cash gets you 5 times points on your highest spend category, and the Citi Double Cash, which gets you double cash or 2 times on all other spend outside of these other multiplier categories. Where the Citi Premier card fits in is it offers higher multipliers than those other 2 cards across a broader spectrum of categories, and you'll see that in just a second. It's important to note that those other 2 cards that I just mentioned carry no annual fee. However, the Citi Premier does carry a $95 annual fee, so you can get the Citi Trifecta with just one $95 annual fee. Typically, the Citi Premier card has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 thank you points after a spend of $4,000 in 3 months. But as I looked online this morning, there's an elevated offer where you can get 80,000 thank you points with the same $4,000 spend in 3 months. I will note just a personal experience that I had. When I was in regular browsing in Chrome and Safari, whenever I went to the Citi Premier Card website, it still showed the same 60,000 point sign up. However, when I went into incognito mode or private browsing mode, the 80,000 point sign up offer came up. When my wife did it on her devices, she was able to have the 80,000 point sign up on both, regardless if she was in incognito mode or not. Don't know what the deal is, but long story short, the elevated offer is out there, and just play around with your browser preferences and make sure that you can sign up for that offer if you are indeed interested in this. I'm going to pull up some of the multipliers here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about with the elevated multipliers as part of the Citi Credit Card Trifecta. Keep in mind the Custom Cash does get you 5 times on one category, and the Double Cash gets you 2 times on everything else. But the Citi Premier card, if you pull this up here, gets 3 times points at restaurants and supermarkets and gas stations, along with air travel and hotels as well, and then 1 times on everything else. So you can see the points multipliers are slightly elevated across a broader spectrum of categories here, which makes it a perfect fit, again, along with those other 2 cards. It does carry a $95 annual fee. There's no foreign transaction fees. And the 80,000 thank you points on the sign-up offer are valued at roughly 1 cent per point, so roughly about $800, so you can think of it that way. Again, for a $95 annual fee, not too bad at all. Just for clarification, this is not a full-scale review of this particular card. This is just a quick news bite for you to get this information as quickly as possible. My wife may end up applying for this card and getting it. If she does, I'll do a full review and unboxing of that card at a later date. For the time being, I will put a link down in the description so you can click on this new offer and see if it is a good fit for you. And if you enjoyed this video and you like these quick hitter news bits, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. And when you click on The Brandon Boyd Show, click, 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 click. It's time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you soon.